In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page number in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Organize tab up top, and from here, as you can see, there's page numbers or number pages, and then the header and footer. Now, the easiest way to do this is actually by going into header and footer, so just click on it and click on Add. In here, you can select whatever you want your page number to be. So, for example, you could do it like in the header, anywhere, left, middle, or right, and then at the bottom inside the footer, left, middle, or right as well. So it's completely up to you. I'm going to go in the central footer text over here, and you simply want to click in here, click on basically those three dots menu up top, and from here, go ahead and click on page number. Now, as you can see, it's automatically going to appear down here, and if you just want it to be very simple, you simply have to click on OK over here, and this will add page numbers to all your pages over here. So that's basically the easiest way to do this, but if you go to number pages, in here, you could go ahead and set different ranges. You could go ahead and, of course, add ranges to where it starts on page 2, for example, or something like that, and then you can, of course, go ahead and apply those, and then this will basically affect your document, stuff like that. So you can play with that as well, but just for the basic setup, that's how we can do it the easier way. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.